Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone and iOS. This matters because features differ by version. Once confirmed, back up important data to iCloud or a computer, make sure storage is available, and then open Settings. Tap General, then Keyboard to access options. You're taking the first actionable steps now. Review keyboards, check for third-party options, and prepare to add, update, or change layout settings. This avoids mid-process surprises and keeps your typing preferences intact. You now manage the list. Tap Keyboards, then add new keyboard to install built-ins or select a third-party app you already downloaded. Once added, use Edit to reorder or delete keyboards. The top one becomes primary. If installing from the App Store, open that app, follow its setup, then return to Settings to enable it. Make sure to enable or disable full access intentionally, because this setting affects privacy and functionality, so balance convenience with security. Finish by testing your updated keyboard in Notes and the apps you use most. This verifies layouts, languages, and shortcuts work as expected. Once done, make sure to restart the iPhone if you notice lag or missing features. Restarts resolve many transient issues. If autocorrect or learned words act up, go to Settings, right arrow General, right arrow Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Use this only if necessary, because it clears learned words. One tip: uninstall and reinstall Apparel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.